What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And I will show you why did Peter Rawlinson sell some of his shares. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we broke this range of support/resistance. As you can see, we bounced from this red line and it is the major support line that we have for now at roughly $22. And we hit this range first of all, then had a bounce, and with the next attempt we broke it to the upside. And I've told you that we should retest it, and if we will have enough volume and enough steam to bounce back with the huge increase in volume that will exceed the range of about $25.66, we will definitely establish higher lows and higher highs, and this might be a bullish sign for this asset. But instead of this, we retested again at this point, broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom as a resistance and went lower. And for now, technically, we are at the point where we should take a closer look on this range of support and on this range of resistance. So, and what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the total sentiment of the market. As you can see, all the indices are in red, and S&P 500 lost about 1.3%, Dow Jones lost about 0.69%, Nasdaq lost about 2.18%, and Russell 2000 lost about 1.59%. And let me show you some positive news related to Lucid. This article was published on March the 9th, and it says, as the Saudi oil giant ARAMCO is on the course to become the world's largest company by the market cap, Lucid Group stands to benefit. And let me show you this. For now, the ARAMCO has a total market cap of $2.31 trillion, and Apple, on the other hand, has a market cap of $2.57 trillion. So ARAMCO is on the second place right after the Apple, and they have a lot of benefits from high oil prices. That's why they have a lot of money. And technically, they are in the most beneficial situation on the market right now. And let me show you this. The Saudi Arabia PIF has a 4% stake in ARAMCO, equivalent to over $81 billion. It also stands to receive hefty dividends from ARAMCO amid the current oil price boom. This growing probable war chest of the Saudi PIF might end up benefit Lucid Group. And let me show you why it might happen. Right here on their institutional investors list, we have this PIF as the major shareholder of Lucid. They own more than 63% of Lucid. And definitely, with all of the benefits from the oil markets, they can reinvest this money into the Lucid. And technically, they have all the possibilities to do so, because they already have plans to launch the new plant of Lucid in 2024 in Saudi Arabia. And definitely, it is a very good investment in the EV market. And let me show you another news. CATHY Wood has good news for Tesla, Rivian, Lucid and EVs. Famed asset manager CATHY Wood has already interesting take on current events. And let me quote you this. Wood shared on Twitter that not only has demand for oil peaked, she expects that the ripple effect caused by everything from what the Biden administration has been doing to Russia's invasion of Ukraine will accelerate oil demand destruction. Basically, she pointed out that while oil's days were already numbered, people may be driven to go electric sooner due to the current circumstances. The accelerated shift towards electric transportation will destroy oil consumption at the margin. Long term, though longer term than I expected, oil prices will collapse under the weight of lower demand. Innovation solves problems, she added. And definitely, in my opinion, all of the EV manufacturers might benefit from these higher oil prices. And unfortunately, we won't see the immediate effect on this situation, because we will see the increase in the demand and we will see the increase in their potential sales only in Q1 earnings report, and definitely it will be not earlier than May of 2022. and that's why you have to keep in mind this news. So another news that was quite scary for a lot of investors, that Peter Rawlinson sold a lot of his shares, and let me show you this article. It says Lucid Group CEO Peter Rawlinson just sold nearly 8 million shares of his company, but not for the reason you are probably thinking of. And let me quote you this. This liquidation was planned back in July 2021 to fulfill tax liabilities that Rawlinson incurred on the vesting of restricted stock units. And definitely, let me show you this filing. We are on fintel.io and we are on insider trading section, and as you can see, Peter Rawlinson sold a lot of his shares, but the code right here is F, and it is at Texas. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what do we have right here? We have consistently higher lows, and if I connect all the bottoms right here, definitely we might have this range as a range of support, and if we will have a bounce from this level to the upside, and if we will break this resistance, definitely it will show that this asset is more bullish than bearish. And on a bear case scenario, we shouldn't break this range and we shouldn't break this red line. In case if we would break it, definitely it will indicate, let me show you on a daily time frame, that we broke the bottom of our third wave right here, as you can see. And this means this action might invalidate the entire third wave, and in this case we will see much longer consolidation phase on a lower prices, and that's why you have to be very cautious. So what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? In my opinion, if your investment horizon is longer than 1.5 or 2 years, you can accumulate your position all the way down, and this approach will give you much more attractive average price, and this will give you much more profits in the future. But if you want to catch the trade, let me switch again to hourly time frame. For now, we don't have any confirmations of new uptrend. We have some kind of consolidation phase, and we, as you can see, we are tightening the range, and probably we might have somewhere in upcoming sessions the apex. We will reach this apex, and this apex should be broken either way, because it is some kind of symmetrical triangle, and if the breakout will be with increasing volume, highly increasing volume, definitely it will show you the potential direction of the next leg. And if we will break it to the upside with a huge conviction of volume, definitely next leg should be to the upside, and we should break all the previous swing highs that are above our current range. And from our current level, we might have up to 31%. And definitely, this range of $30 might be a psychological number for the majority of investors to re-enter their position if we will break this range. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!